Now, fifth graders, I'm going to read this passage about hydropower. Hydropower. Water is another very important energy resource. People, plants, and animals all depend on water. Hydropower is energy that comes from the force of moving water. Important. The word hydro means water. Hydropower is the most widely used renewable source of energy. The sun heats the ocean, turns it into water vapor. This is called evaporation. When the water vapor rises, it turns into clouds. The cool air above the earth mixes with the clouds and releases rain or snow, called precipitation. This water cycle goes on repeating forever, making this a renewable energy source. Hydropower is also a clean source of energy, and it's the cheapest form of energy. There is no fuel to burn, so there are no harmful emissions released into the air. These reservoirs can also form recreational areas for swimming, boating, and fishing. Gravity causes the water from the reservoir on the high ground to fall to the lower ground over the dam into another reservoir. The energy force from the falling water is used to turn a turbine in the dam and generate electricity. That's from that source. That's information about hydro, so fill in your chart.